Our lakes and rivers are home to all types of sport fish, giving you ample opportunities to catch just about anything you're looking for. Fish salmon and steelhead trout runs in the spring and fall, or cast a line for rainbow, brook, and brown trout. For more of an adrenaline-fueled time on the water, the wild and scenic Clackamas River is renowned as a top whitewater rafting destination. Our guides and outfitters can get you set on an epic trip down the Class 3 and 4 rapids. Visit in May when hundreds of people arrive for the annual Upper Clackamas Whitewater Festival, located just 30 minutes from downtown Portland. For flatwater fun, try stand-up paddleboarding on our rivers and lakes, or take a kayak up the Willamette River from Oregon City to get a water-level view of historic Willamette Falls. This mighty waterfall has been an important part of Native American cultures here for centuries. When you're ready to rest after a full day on the water, we have something to suit any need. From beautiful vacation rentals to scenic campsites, you'll have just what you're looking for in a place to rest and recharge before your next adventure. Be it fly fishing, trolling, or paddling the day away, if you're angling for fun, then Mount Hood territory is for you. So don't just do one thing, do all the things. Visit MountHoodTerritory.com to download a travel planner and start your next adventure.